I'm Chase Johnson, owner of Johnson Junk Removal, locally owned and operated out of the Twin Cities here. You should hire Johnson Junk Removal because when you call, you'll be in direct contact with the owner, that's me, and not a call center hundreds of miles away. That ensures good quotes and efficient scheduling. Our team will show up on time, ready to work, and remove your items efficiently, safely, leaving your property clean and tidy. Our pricing works by how much space all your items take up in our load. Our load is equivalent to around 6 pickup beds worth, giving you a great value. I started Johnson Junk Removal as a locally owned business to better serve the community than the corporate companies in the area. With all the items that we cannot donate or recycle, we use a facility to turn all of it into electricity through a burning process, making our company almost exclusively landfill free. To book a job with us or to schedule an appointment, you can do one of two things. You can call us, you can go to our website and click schedule now, and that'll send us an email, and we'll be in direct communication with you right after that, and we'll get you booked.